Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got another little get ready with me. I'm going to be doing a little workwear style going into the office today. I'll also be sharing my tips and tricks on how to take your outfit from just wearing your clothes to actually styling them. So be sure to look out for those little tips along the way. But before I get into all of that, be sure you take the time right now and subscribe. Also be sure to hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post. I post new videos every single week. And yeah, let's get ready. All right, as always, I'll scooch you down so you can better see the outfit we're working with. This right now is my little PJ set. You guys have probably seen it before. But the main item we are building our outfit around today is a very classic little blue and white button-up. And I feel like although this is not particularly neutral toned, it is a pretty nice basic for your wardrobe, and I feel like it's something that a lot of people just have, like a blue and white striped button up. It just feels very classic in my opinion. So yeah, I think it's super cute, and I've been very inspired by the internet and seeing people pair a blue and white button up like this with black, which is not something that I would initially think to do, but I think it actually looks really cute. So going into the office, I'm going to be pairing this with a pair of black slacks, but I have seen some really cute outfits where you pair a button up like this with like a little black mini skirt or midi skirt. Like, it can be a really cute outfit and a great new color combination to add to your wardrobe. But anyways, let's actually start getting ready. All right, so this button up is from Princess Polly, and what I actually like about this one is that the buttons, I don't know if you can hear, they're actually like little snap buttons, so you don't have to physically like go through and button your clothes. I don't know, I feel like it saves a little bit of time in the morning and still gives like a nice chic clean look, because then you don't really see all the buttons up and down the shirt. They're kind of like hidden under the little flap. So it just gives like a clean line on the top. All right, and let's go grab my pants and then we will put together this little outfit base. All right, so these are the pants. These are actually also from Princess Polly. You've probably heard me talk about their like slacks before. I am absolutely obsessed with them. They are so cute and flattering and just like the most perfect fit and are such good quality. Yeah, like I'm absolutely obsessed. I have them in so many colors at this point. Yeah, so those are the pants on here, and this is kind of the outfit base, and I feel like this is the point of the outfit where you're kind of just wearing your clothes but not actually styling them. And my biggest tip for wearing versus styling, I know you've probably heard a lot of times, is just kind of adding that layer, add accessories. And I used to work in retail, and one of the biggest things when we were putting together an outfit like on a mannequin or selling to somebody was to make sure you kind of incorporated the base, the layer, accessories, the shoes, like all these pieces, which makes a lot of sense if you're working in a sales environment, because the more items you tell a person they need on their outfit to look good, the more items you're gonna sell to that person. So stepping away from just adding things to your outfit, there are a lot of different ways that you can actually take what you're already just wearing and take it into styling. So simple little things that you do not have to add anything to your outfit is something like with this top, choosing to roll the sleeves up and have the look be more like this, or you can unroll the sleeves and keep them down, and that also gives kind of a different look to your outfit. I actually prefer rolling them up for this look, so that's kind of how I want to style it. But yeah, so something as simple as that, where you don't need to add an accessory to style this, you just kind of can play with what you've already got. Another big thing is wearing this out or tucking it in. We're tucking it in different ways. You can do a little one-sided tuck, something like that. Kind of what I like to do in most of my workwear outfits is just simply tuck it all the way in, all the way around. And I think that's, for most of the time, like the most flattering look for me. I will give a tip though, I don't actually button it all the way down when I tuck it in. I kind of just button it to the point where my pants fall, and then that's how I tuck it in. I don't know if that makes it better or worse, whatever, but I just find it a little bit easier when I tuck it in when I do that. So I don't know, little tuck in tip. But yes, you're already seeing like rolling up the sleeves, tucking in the shirt. You have, honestly, in my opinion, a more flattering look, but also a little more styled than if you were just kind of wearing the clothes, having them kind of just hang on you. And I didn't add anything to it. I didn't add an accessory, I didn't add a layer, I didn't add any other items to go with it. So for completely free $99, you can still style your clothes. I will though, personally, add some more pizzazz to my look now that I've kind of put together this outfit. So because I tucked it in, depending on the look, a lot of times you can just go without something, have it more sleek, and that can be your style. For this one, I want to add a belt to this. So my handy dandy reversible belt, I will throw that on. And I really just wanted to throw this in to incorporate more of the metals into my look. Since there aren't any buttons on here, this belt kind of adds a little bit of metally coloring to the outfit. And it's just really simple, really skinny, sleek, very dainty and delicate. All the adjectives. So I have that, and then for jewelry, I've got a pretty classic stack at this point. I've got my mixed metal watch and little bracelet. So just some classic items. And I think rolling up the sleeves is a good opportunity if you do have some jewelry to show it off since your sleeves are rolled up, or you can keep your sleeves rolled down and not have to worry about that. But I like to have still something going on when I roll my sleeves up. And then necklace. This top can end up obviously being like pretty deep V depending on where I button and unbutton it. But since, you know, we're going to the office, we're keeping it a little classy, I'll keep it buttoned up pretty high. So this is one of my necklaces that has a little bit of like a shorter chain, so it looks good on more high neck items. And that's something just to be aware of if you are styling accessories with your outfit, just to be thoughtful of the kind of cut and style of the clothes, that your accessories can match it better. Like I said, this is a little bit higher neck, so I picked a necklace that you could actually see and is higher up, as opposed to one that kind of dangles a little bit lower. Again, if you're rolling up the sleeves, putting on bracelets, and then earrings. I'm just going with some simple little gold hoops. And something along with being free $99 for your outfit, styling your hair different ways can also give a different look to the overall look that you're putting together. So if you want to go a little bit more like formal and serious, you can kind of slick back your hair and do something like that. Or if you want it a little more casual, playful, I don't know, keeping your hair down. Also being aware of the cut and style of your top. If you have like a turtleneck, sometimes it looks better to have your hair up. So yeah, just little ways you can tweak your look to be a little bit more styled as opposed to just kind of simply wearing your clothes. Last for accessories is going to be some rings. And I've always loved a good ring stack, so got a lot of rings going on. One of my favorite things for corporate looks is to really just throw on the jewelry. I think it's fun, it adds a little bit of pizzazz and sparkle, but obviously not necessary. But yeah, so this is kind of what we got going on. I'll grab some shoes. So I've been really wanting to wear these in like a corporate environment, but most of my clients' parking lots are way too far to walk in these. But I do have a different client that has a parking lot that's very close to the office, so I don't have to walk far in them. So I think these are going to be the shoes. They also kind of pull in the belt with a little bit of gold. So these are the shoes. And these are like surprisingly not crazy uncomfortable. I mean, they're obviously not the most comfortable shoe, but they're surprisingly comfortable for what they are. Okay, so I got the shoes on. I'm now way taller. And then I'm just throwing a little black bag in the mix. Honestly, I don't really bring the small purses with me to the office. I kind of just throw my stuff in my work bag, but it's already packed in my car, so I'm not gonna go grab it. But this is kind of what the look would be if I like grabbed threw my wallet in here and like went out to lunch during work. But let me throw you guys way back and we can see the full look. All right, here is our final look. Alright, so that was me styling an outfit to wear into the office today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, give it a like, share it with your friends. As always, I'll be linking everything I am wearing today in my description down below. Most of these items are actually from Princess Polly, and I do have a little discount code for you guys, so definitely check it out down there. Also, while you're down there, be sure to leave a comment. Let me know if you liked this outfit, if you have any tips and tricks yourselves for how to take your outfit from just wearing it to actually styling. Really curious to hear what you guys think. Also, while you're down there, if you have not already, please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.